Hello everyone. Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Reset in India-China Ties. This topic relates to the International Relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. Recently, PM Modi met Chinese President Xi Jinping on the sidelines of SCO summit in Tianjin. This was their first meeting since Kazan in October 2024. The meeting coincided with the 75th anniversary of India-China diplomatic ties. Now, let's discuss the key highlights of the meeting. Both leaders expressed satisfaction over the disengagement along the border and committed to a fair and mutually acceptable resolution of the boundary issue. They emphasized expanding trade, reducing the trade deficit, and strengthening investment ties through a political and strategic approach. They agreed to strengthen people-to-people exchanges through direct flights, visa facilitation, and the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Both sides agreed to cooperate on issues such as terrorism, fair trade, multipolarity, and democracy in global governance. India extended support to China's SCO presidency, while China expressed support for India's BRICS presidency in 2026. Now, let's discuss Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The SCO evolved from the Shanghai Five in 1996 and was formally established in 2001 with China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. It now has 10 members, including India, Pakistan, Iran and Belarus. It also represents about 40% of the world's population and nearly 20% of global GDP. For India, the SCO provides a platform to strengthen ties with Central Asia, engage in counter-terrorism cooperation through RATS, and pursue connectivity and energy security while balancing relations with China and Pakistan. Now, it's time to do a practice question. Which of the following countries are members of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? 1. India. 2. Russia. 3. Iran. 4. Afghanistan. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.